What's up, guys? It's Anthony from Gamers War Room here. We're here. I got 3 buys for today. I'm gonna get them tested out. We'll get them in the NES top loader real quick. Make sure they're up and running. So I got Mario Bros. And Duck Hunt, Bayou Billy, Adventures of Bayou Billy, and Family Feud. We're gonna go with the annoying one first. We're gonna go with Family Feud first. So let's test this bad boy out. We'll get it on the website up for sale as soon as we get them tested out. So without further ado, let's put her in. Alright, there she is. Not sure if I can get an angle on this. I have not invested in the video card yet for hooking up a coax to HDMI. They exist, they're just really expensive. So see if Family Feud's working. It's reacting to the controller. Original NES. Old 6 foot of fun right there. So, alright, Family Feud's good. This game doesn't have too many reports. I'm sorry if it's static. But there it is, Family Feud original NES cartridge. This one is from 1990. So that one will go up. Alright, next up, Bayou Billy. Here we go. Let's put Billy in. Fire him up, baby. Billy might need a blow. Let's give Billy some love here. I am going to get a blower. If I don't get one, I'll probably make one. To be 100% honest with you, because I'm cheap. So, how you make money with a business? Be cheap. So, here we go. Bayou Billy, The Adventures of Bayou Billy. Let's go game A. So Bayou Billy is a lot like, kind of like Streets of Rage. You run around the bayou and fight people trying to get this girl back. It's kind of cool. Kind of cool. I love this game actually. Back in the day, man, sit in front of the TV and just go ham on this. So here we go. Bayou Billy. Got some action going here. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna get better at this, promise. For right now, this is what we do. Bayou Billy, let's go, Billy, let's go. Get him, Billy, get him. I'm gonna get myself in trouble and end up keeping this game. Add it to the collection. Alright, Bayou Billy's working like a champ. We got Karate Kid over here. Alright, Bayou Billy's good to go. Reset, off. Out she goes. Bayou Billy, Adventures of Bayou Billy. Awesome game for you guys who like old school fighter games. Alright, last but not least for today's finds, we got Mario Bros. Duck Hunt. Alright, let's throw her in there. Go. There it is. Boys and girls, Mario Bros. And Duck Hunt. Got Duck Hunt, Mario Bros. Let's start. So I can't test it with the zapper because the zapper will not read on the LCD screen. I ran into that a long time ago trying to test them out one time. I don't have a CRT TV right now, so as of right now I won't have any blasters out for sale. Mario's running like a champ. Get it, Mario, get it. Oh, got shrunk. Trying to do a quick run through. Get him. Oh, that's not a good time. Mario's working like a champ. Reset. Oh, there she is, guys. So Mario Bros. Duck Hunt. That'll go on the website as well. Love this game. So there it is, guys. My first test and review. We'll bring more. I got hundreds of games to go through. I'm gonna do this, test them out, post it on YouTube. The links will be on the website once I figure that out. So that way people can see these games working before they buy them. Your games individually will be tested. Like this. 2 copies. One's in sleeve, one's not. They're both going to be tested before I send them out. The video will be on the link on the game itself. So, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Help me get this business going. And I appreciate it. Once we get a lot more viewers and subscribers, we'll start doing giveaways, NES cartridge giveaways. I got those mystery boxes. We'll do those. We'll do some t-shirts. We'll do something. We'll make it happen. Me and the kids are going to get all over this, and we're going to make this happen. So I appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe. Thank you.